Welcome to the Weekly Roundup Report. Today we're at the Towne Lake location. My name is Deidre Parker. This is my favorite location because this is my location. I am the operator and owner here. Come on in. Lacey's working on this FORD Ford today. What you doing?
I'm just finishing up an oil change, full inspection. I'm about to reset the light and run it and make sure it's not leaking.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Mr. Baker is also working on a Ford today.
We have a Ford Mustang that came in. Customer just purchased the vehicle and had a check engine light and a few small issues, and he wanted us to look the vehicle over for him. So we identified a couple of issues in the for the check engine light. We repaired. Also, while we were in, we identified several oil leaks. We fixed the rear main seal, a lower oil pan, and we're going to get him back on the road.
Perfect. It's almost a Ford day here. Chris is also working on an F-150. What you got going on?
We got rich codes on bank 1 and 2 on this vehicle. There's multiple things that can cause that. So far I've reset the memory on it, test drove it again, made sure that the problem actually exists. It does. So at this point I'm going to start going through the diagnostic tree.
Thank you.
Yep.
Thanks for dropping in at Towne Lake. We'll see you next week.